This hard drive had no data access and would not spin. Upon opening it, our engineer Alexa discovered that the heads were stuck on the platters. He carefully released them by rotating the platters counterclockwise and sliding the heads back onto the ramp. Next, Alexa removed the patient heads from the drive for inspection. They were visibly bent and needed replacement. He then removed a matching set of heads from a donor drive and installed them into the patient drive. With the new heads in place, the drive was connected to the PC3000 system. A firmware backup was created, followed by head testing and flag adjustments. A recovery task was then set up. The heads map was generated, followed by MFT reading and bitmap mapping. Finally, the cloning process could begin. The result? 13,987 files successfully recovered, with a total size of 107 gigabytes. No files contained bad sectors or damaged headers. The highest chance of successful data recovery is when a hard drive is brought to our lab immediately after problems with data access appear. This is especially important if the device has been dropped or experienced any kind of physical shock. Further attempts to access the drive or do-it-yourself recovery attempts can significantly reduce the chances of saving the data. At HelpDisc, diagnostics are free of charge. Is your data at risk? We are available for support and questions. Write to office@helpdisc.rs.